Tapswap interface update and how you can connect your Ton wallet into Tapswap mining bots. So in this video, I'll be explaining the little I understand about the latest update on Tapswap and how you can connect your wallet into the Tapswap mining bots here on Telegram. As we all know that recently Tapswap make an update into the interface, and coming down here you will see Town. And this town is TappyTown, new interactive feature in the Tapswap app. Build and manage your virtual town, complete challenge and earn rewards to increase your airdrop share. So this is actually going to be like a game section in Tapswap where we have to play a certain game, perform some challenge, complete some challenge, and then at the end of each challenge we will be able to earn reward for ourselves. And coming down here you see Dex. If you understand what Dex means, this is Decentralized exchange. From the definition here, the Dex feature in the Tapswap app allow users to seamlessly trade cryptocurrency directly with others on a secure decentralized exchange. And the time to start this is also in the next coming 3 days and some hours. And this now make Tapswap becoming relevant. Assuming they all come on board with all these features, it will have all been bright and great along. But coming right now, it's not too late to implement this. It just means that we have to give Tapswap some time for whatever they are cooking to be done. And then let's go straight to how you can actually connect your wallet into this Tapswap application. It's not hard at all you have to do is to click on connect wallet, and as always all you have to do is to select any Ton wallet of your choice. And in my own case, I will be going with Tonkeeper. So select Tonkeeper, and here I have several wallets which I have created, but then I'll be going with my general airdrop wallet because I'm tired of creating a new wallet. And if you are also tired just like myself, you can just select one particular wallet and make sure you back up the secret phrase, and you can actually be using that for all your airdrop. But make sure you don't keep your fund in your airdrop wallet. So I will just click on connect wallet, and then I will use my biometric to confirm this, and that's all you have to do. And if you check right here on your Tapswap, you will see that your wallet has been connected successfully, and it's as easy as that. So once you click on it, it will disconnect just like this. Then you just have to click on it again. I think this is a bug that Tapswap still have to fix, but pending the time, just let's manage it for now, and hopefully they will fix the bug very soon. So that's all I see in this latest update. And top here you will see maybe this should stand for profit per hour or something per hour, as I see here per hour. And then maybe this will be for the challenge reward from the TappyTown, and then this is the number of videos which you watch from the tax section. So that's all for this video. If you get any value, don't forget to like, share it for more tappers to see, and of course follow this page for more updates like this. See you on the next one. Peace out.